this jalopy kicked the bed.
No, I think yours like not there. It's not locked up anymore. It used to lock up when it's ready.
Put it in reverse. Oh, that's not a normal noise though.
I want it to lock up, man. I want it like when it locked up, it was like boom boom. It doesn't lock up anymore. It's no fun.
So the transmission finally exploded on this thing.
Every year worse. And that's fourth.
It didn't have fourth?
No, it has every year. It's the center diff that works.
Oh.
I want it to lock up.
Do one. Just clutch in. No, you didn't launch hard enough.
No, you dropped it.
Yeah. No, yeah, that's good enough. Please don't push the luck.
Go on the street. Go on the street.
Oh, it smells like clutch.
Good. I want to fucking smooth it down. It's too aggressive. This is
Go on the street. If he blows the tranny on the street, who you're pushing? Yeah, right. I'm not pushing.
Brandon's so scared. Like, just get over there. This guy's gonna go through the garage and smoke me.
Alright, let's get it on the hoist. Got some sense.
He egged me on.
You just need a little push over the cliff and you'll jump.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, let's get this thing in the air and we'll get this blown tranny out. For the Subaru kids, Callum, give them some revs. Okay. That is probably one of the best noises.
If only they could smell it. It smells like clutch.
Yeah, it does.
Oh,
No,
good.
pull more forward.
A little more forward.
Oh, it stinks, dude. More.
That's good.
Yeah. Oh my god, it stinks. Okay, you need to get out of here. Okay, so even though on video it didn't look like it was the tranny blown, this is where the car was parked. And that's where it was towed in. That line, that's all transmission fluid. And it's all soaked in Arlen's tire. I love it. Now he's showing off his truck. All right, we gotta get this thing in the air. Go. Oh, still the tranny fluid. Oh, there's no tranny fluid in there to check.
Dude, it sounds like I have a sub in here.
Holy shit, dude, it's taking the whole garage.
Dude, look at this. It's like I have a sub.
Oh, you can't even tell.
You can hear it. It's like.
Yeah.
Okay, it's getting spicy in here.
It is spicy, yeah.
Hanging over it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's got a little leak. We just brought it in. This is about 5 minutes.
That's the window.
Look at that. It's like thick.
It's a service window.
Thick.
Oh yeah. That's nice.
Toothpaste.
So it's got a whole summer in the tranny. So
Yeah, it's a whole bunch of little pieces.
focusing. Yeah. Get a light on it here. Shine your light on there. Show them. That'd be a cool paint coat if somebody wanted it.
Yeah, look at that. Like when it drops on it, it's like.
Is there a window?
It's on like the over the cross member. So it's under the mount. Once we get the mount, there'll probably be a nice little hole in it.
Oh,
What are we doing?
she's tight.
It is tight.
us three more to the travel too, If I went up north, it was $7,500.
Look how nice though. Let's look. Watch this.
Here in Canada, that's a big thing.
200K, buddy.
That's a big thing. If the axle ain't seized in the hub there,
You're chill.
buddy, your car is worth triple value.
Really?
Really? All right, so we're going to get the axles
It's
out.
up for sale. 15K. Anybody wants it?
15K in yen.
Yeah.
We're dropping the axles out, and then we're going to drop the exhaust, take the drive shaft out. Then Subarus are actually really easy to get to the bell housing bolts, so they're all along here. So we'll get these out, and we'll get this tranny out of here. Cheeseburger, Big Mac, Whopper, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, Whopper. Okay. That's where all we do is pull transmissions and install cams and do cam installs. But hopefully this transmission doesn't blow up. So Callum is taking out the cross member right now. We got the front axles out. Yep. We got the drive shaft out. We got the exhaust off, downpipe, and we got all the bell housing bolts off. We had to take the intercooler off. Now we just gotta take off these two shifter linkages. English is hard. And then the train's gonna come
I
out.
gotta do that from the top, or
No,
can we just take it
we'll
off?
do it here. Yeah, those bolts. And then it'd be kind of, oh, I
See the
think
hole? You see the
I
hole?
think I see a crack. I think there's a crack right there.
Oh, we'll see at the end.
Yeah, okay, we'll take it off. But yeah, so we're almost there. The pulling it out is gonna be fun.
Yeah?
You think that thing's light?
Yeah, I lifted that one, buddy. I lifted it out of the back of the guy's car, and he's like, "Whoa, are you crazy?" He goes, "You can't lift that by yourself." I was like, "You want to see me?" And I ripped it right out of the back of his freaking Hyundai. And he's like, "Holy shit, man!"
Yep, there's the new donor. Looks brand new.
Let it drop, he says.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Is it heavy?
It's not bad. You know what? It's still holding. Take these 14 out. Callum, hurry up! My arm's getting tired, man.
Where's the 14 going?
There. There's two on this side, two on the other side.
Oh my god.
Oh, you busted it, dude. Get a hammer. Where's the hammer? Alright, I found the hammer. We gotta drain the training.
Because I don't have to splat.
There it goes. There it is. There it is.
Is it service?
Back together.
Little service window?
It's serviceable WX training. We're making everything serviceable around here.
Oh yeah.
What's that?
That is,
Something broken?
yeah, I don't know the technical term for it.
Hey, do it on the ground, man.
Well, once we get on the ground, we're not gonna fucking
Yeah, that's true.
mess with it anymore. It's gonna be on the bottom. But yeah. Ready? Ready, muscles?
Oh, let it drain.
What do you mean? It's not gonna stop doing that for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's see you get dirty.
Gotta look up. Wait up. Oh, no. Oh.
What?
Dog bone.
You found that? Still? That's the light? That's the light now?
Those are gonna be dirty. The dog bone. It's in the top of the bell housing there.
The bitch bolt. Oh, no.
It bolts to the firewall, I'm pretty sure. Or the,
These don't have.
they don't have them?
No.
All right. Some leverage.
I can't see anything. There we go.
Here it goes. Here we go.
Lift up, lift up. Oh, fuck.
Okay, you drop your set down.
Stand it up.
That made me shit my pants a little. Yeah, me too.
Look at this,
Oh
right?
my
Film
God.
this. This is what blew on her.
So you think it was only front-wheel drive?
You were pretty much, you thought you were rear-wheel drive? You were front-wheel drive, buddy.
Yikes.
And like get a better hole. Inspection hole.
Yikes.
How do you blow a hole in the side of a tranny?
Ask
Oh,
Callum.
look at it leaking out the front.
Oh. Sponsor us. I'll wear Carhartt, whatever the fuck. Socks, shirts, toques,
Undergarments.
t-shirts, condoms, long sleeve t-shirts, short sleeve, long sleeve t-shirts, tidy whities, boxers, speedos.
Okay, put transmission in car.
Alright.
Me.
They're jacking up the tranny jack.
Yeah, alright, it's pneumatic. Ready?
Okay.
Oh, we're gonna get some leak action down there.
Get it up on the slipper. Yeah. Ah, my fucking finger. Okay, there's two studs here.
What is
Two studs. Okay, I'm holding this side up. You gotta get that side higher. That corner. The train's crooked. Oh. Okay. Hold on. Fucking dipsticks. Oh! Don't push in!
No?
No, my hand was there. There. Get your side up. Oh. Yeah. Now you wiggle jiggling. Hold on. Is it lined up? The fucking no, it's not. Pull back. Pull back. Wiggle. Pull back. Yeah. Okay, here. You work the back. I got the front. Okay, you get more comfortable?
No.
You want to sit on the chair?
Yeah.
Okay, sit on the chair. I'll hold this up.
Oh, fuck.
Hold it up. Lined up, yeah. Hold on, it's on the dowels. What did you do?
Holy shit.
Stop breathing so heavy. Okay. Ow.
Did he squish you?
Yeah, you did. Ah! Wiggle and push in. Ugh.
Fuck. Fucking dying.
It's nice holding the camera, huh?
I got a good gig over here.
The dowel's right through the other side.
Okay, slide it out.
Yeah, the dowel's right through the bell housing.
Holy schnitzel.
What?
It's freaking tight.
Axles going in.
Oh, you get a ball joint.
Ball joints going in.
Is it in?
Yeah.
You gotta line up the hole. One more. Short. Yeah, that's it.
Where's the hole?
It's on the back.
Oh, there it is. Spencer Speedy.
Spencer's got ants in his pants.
So we can puke outside?
One more hole in it. Show people how weak they are.
Yeah. They're like glass.
Callum, this is the next day, by the way, but Callum is on something today. He broke the hammer! Dude! How do you even do that? You weren't hammering with the head, you were hammering with the wood.
Get the brass one.
Oh, jeez, I hit my leg! This thing just hit my leg.
Relax, man.
We need a bigger inspection hole to see what's going on in
No, what we're gonna do is weld it now in there. Then
Yeah.
what we do is you can cover this up with some tuck tape.
For G well, you know.
Or
A
PL.
piece of cardboard and then just J weld all the way around it.
Yeah. This is a WRC transmission mod. Okay, let's get this other rusty tranny in here. Okay, so we got it all back together. Intercooler. Let's see if it works. Yay. No more noise in here? Cool. We're gonna get Callum's new summer wheels on. So we had the winters on. And he's got some RPF ones to put on it. Yeah, that pretty much wraps it all up. Reverse works. Alright, we'll go for a test drive. That is a wrap. Callum's got his new transmission in. Just torquing his lug nuts, doing it like the co-op kid, lifting up, breaking his back. Come on. Push down.
I am now. Right now, you pointed it out. You point it out to me every time, and then I do it. I save my back for the other half.
Oh, so driver's side he lifts up, passenger side he pushes down.
Yeah. You gotta even out the workout, alright? Some back.
Okay, we'll get a driving clip soon. That pretty much wraps it.
Driving clip of this.
Alright, maybe we won't. No one wants a driving clip of this, do they?
No.
No?
Definitely not.
Yeah. Okay, that wraps it.
If it doesn't work, you'll never see the car again.
Okay, ciao.